Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to zoom in or out your desktop or laptop screen, and equally how to zoom in or out your browser screen. So let's get started. But I could remember there was a time a friend told me that he encountered this issue, and I'm here to give a solution to that. So to zoom in your laptop or desktop screen, what you have to do, you see this Windows icon, just press and hold steady. Don't remove your finger, press and hold steady. Then use the plus key on your keyboard, the plus key on your keyboard. You can see here the plus. Just keep on pressing. It's increasing, as you can see. It's increasing, as you can see, that you are zooming in. To zoom out, use the minus key beside the plus key to zoom out until you get to 100% of the screen. So let's do that. The minus, you can see right now is 100%, as you can see. Then you are good to go. Just let me get that, remove this. Then for the browser, let's go to the browser. Here for the browser, you don't use the Windows icon, you use the CTRL, that is the control key on your keyboard, the control key here. Just press and hold steady. Do not remove your finger. Then use the plus key on your keyboard to zoom in. To zoom in, you might have this presently. You can see how big it is. Then to zoom out, keep on holding the control key and then press the minus key on your keyboard beside the plus key until you get to 100%. So this is the minus. You are zooming out now until you get to 100%. So right now 100%, and you are good to go. So that is it for this video. If you think that I helped you, that this solved your problem, the only thank you can give me is just to click on that red subscribe button below the screen by the right hand side. That is the only thank you. You don't have to comment on the comment section. Just by clicking on that red subscribe button, I will be satisfied, and I will be motivated to keep on uploading videos of this kind. Thank you for watching, and God bless.